Okay, I am Sri Jagadishwaran. In this video, we will see about the automate landing page submission. I used Selenium and Python script for the project. First of all, I installed the virtual environment for run the Python. That's venv. Next, I will install Selenium inside the environment. Next, I will create the Python file to code the automation. First of all, I import the WebDriver from the Selenium. The WebDriver in this case used there. In this line used to open the browser. In my case, I opened the Chrome browser. Next, this code used to navigate our browser to this link. We give any URL, the get method navigate to the URL. Next, we will use find element method. Is it's used to find the element in the landing page using the attributes. In my case, I use name attribute. We see in the landing page the input field have a name attribute. The value of name attribute is lead data name. We can use same name there. Next, we will use the send keys method. This method used to uh, send the data for the finded element. The finded element is stored on the name field, so we can use we post the data inside the send keys method. It will be right inside the input field, so that's why we use it there. And the same thing used for the email and contact number. Next, we will move on to the button. In this case, we cannot use the name attribute for the button because we see the landing page. This page have a button. This button not have any name attribute. It's only have a class. Inside the button we see many classes, but one more issue there. We see another button inside the landing page that's also have button door class name. uh, so it's not make any issue, but it's not a good practice. So I will choose the unique class name. For that I will use all the class name inside the element. So I will use to select all the class name the by is imported from there. So I use by.css selector and give the all class name. Next I will trigger the button using the click method. So this is the code. We can run the project. First of all, we activate the virtual environment. For that we will use this code. After the activate, we will run the Python script. You can see the browser is automatically open. After the loading, it will be write the content in the selected elements, and it will be submitted. After the submission, it will be closed automatically, but we want to see the output inside the network tab, so we use this code. This code, first of all, I am import the time there. The time.slip method is used to extend the timing to close the browser. In my case, I will use 30 seconds. We will, after the saving, we will run the Python file again. Sorry, we can see the PHP file. In the file, the status code is 200. Okay, that means the request is okay. In the payload, we can see the our details also is centered inside the request. We see the response. We see this page. That means it will be works. So now we can speak about the what challenge I faced in this project. First of all, I don't know about the automatic land page submission. First of all, I learn it. I gradually increase the knowledge in the Selenium. Thank you.